channel. Thank you for watching Landslide channel.
This is the final declaration of the presidential results. In accordance with Article 103, Clause 7 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and Section 59 of the Presidential Elections Act. Whereas the presidential election was held on the 15th of January 2026, at which the candidates were Bulira Frank Kavinga, Kasivante Robert, Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, Mabirizi Joseph, Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, Nandala Mafwabi James Nathan, Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni. And whereas polling for the presidential elections closed at 5 p.m. on the 15th day of January 2026, and whereas the Electoral Commission has ascertained the results of the presidential elections, now therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred upon the Commission by Article 103, Clause 7 of the Constitution and Section 59 of the Presidential Elections Act, the Commission publishes and declares the results of the presidential elections as follows. Bulira Frank Kavinga, 45,959 votes. I repeat, Bulira Frank Kavinga, 45,959 votes. Kasivante Robert, 33,440. Kasivante Robert, 33,440. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, 2,741,238. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, 2,741,238 votes. Mabirizi Joseph, 23,458. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, 59,276. I repeat, Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, 59,276 votes. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, 31,666 votes. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, I repeat, 31,666 votes. Nandala Mafwabi James Nathan, 209,039 votes. 209,039 votes. Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, 7,946,772. I repeat, Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, 7,946,772 votes. Total number of invalid votes cast is 275,353. Total number of invalid votes cast, 275,353, amounting to 2.42% of the votes cast. Total number of votes cast is 11,366,201. Repeat, total number of votes cast is 11,366,201, amounting to 52.50% of the registered voters. Now therefore, candidate Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni, having obtained the highest number of votes in the election and the votes cast in his favor being more than 50% of the valid votes cast at the election, the Commission hereby declares the elected president declares candidate Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta Museveni the duly elected president of the Republic of Uganda at the presidential elections held on the 15th day of January 2026 for the next 5 years.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.